Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, we are going to discuss the difference between debit card and credit card. So let's start the video. Debit card versus credit card. So typically, debit card and credit card, they both look identical with 16-digit card numbers, expiration dates, and magnetic strips, and so on. They both make payment easy and convenient on the store as well as online mode, with only one key difference. Debit cards allow you to spend money by drawing your own funds which you have deposited in your bank account, whereas credit cards allow you to borrow money from the card issuer up to a certain limit in order to purchase items or withdraw cash. So that means credit card gives you access to a line of credit issued by a bank while debit card deducts money directly from your bank account. There is also a very important key difference between them, that credit card offer better consumer protection against fraud compared with debit cards linked to a bank account. So debit card and credit card have their own pros and cons. If you want to know more about credit card, let me know in the comment box. I'll make video on that. And I'll share different types of credit card, and you all go down and comment below how is the video.